right, so hi, I'm Dr. Anna Saylor with Bannerbury Family Chiropractic Center. I'm looking at just Arden Page, and she's brand new. She just was born yesterday, so. Oh, hi, Peanut. Yeah, so I can get to her belly.
Oh, to her belly?
Good job. Yeah, she's a cuddler. She likes to be snuggled. Let's give her a little bit. Oh, hey, good job, Arden. Good job. Here you go. Good for Dad.